Hello everyone, it's Songling here. I am a home cook and I love eating. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I share simple, delicious, and healthy recipes that you can recreate at home. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday. Today, I am going to show you how to make caprese salad. It is a super simple but delicious Italian salad made with tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil, seasoned with salt and olive oil. Let's get cooking. So, here are all the ingredients. Like I said before, this is a 5-ingredient salad, and I have all this pile of stuff only because I want to show you different ways to make it. So, don't be alarmed. As always, I will put the full list of ingredients and amount in the description box. First, cut the fresh mozzarella ball into slices. My knife is not super sharp, so I struggled a bit here. You can certainly use dental floss to get cleaner cuts, just make sure it is not flavored. Also, since Valentine's Day is approaching, if you are planning to make that special dinner at home and need an appetizer that both looks and tastes amazing, here's a tip for you. After slicing your cheese, cut them into heart shapes with a cookie cutter. If you impressed your date with this salad and received something hot in return, I don't know, maybe a chili dark chocolate bar, you are very welcome. Alright, let's set the mozzarella aside and cut the tomatoes also into slices. Try to match the thickness with your cheese. If you manage to get super fresh basil, just pick the leaves off of the stem and use them directly. Otherwise, chiffonade your basil leaves by stacking them together, rolling into a cigar, and cutting crosswise to create thin ribbons. Arrange alternate slices of tomato and mozzarella cheese on your serving plate. Sprinkle the basil leaves and dress with some coarse sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And you just made a classic caprese salad. Because this salad is made with the simplest of ingredients, using ingredients that are top quality is key. Use tomatoes that are ripe and juicy and get the best quality fresh mozzarella ball you can find. If you want to add a touch more flavor, drizzle some balsamic reduction on top. Bring 1 cup of balsamic vinegar and a 1/4 cup of honey to a boil, and then simmer on low heat until the mixture is reduced to about 1/3 of a cup. For my basil lovers out there, pesto would be another great option. Another way to make caprese salad is using cherry tomatoes and bocconcini, which is bite-sized mozzarella balls. Just toss all the ingredients together. If you are feeling fancy, you can put the cherry tomatoes and bocconcini on skewers, or if you're feeling fancy and creative, cut the cherry tomatoes into heart shapes and plate the salad however you want. If you want to know how to cut cherry tomatoes into heart shapes, I will put a link down below. Caprese salad is usually served as an appetizer. It is so easy and quick to make that you can enjoy on any regular weeknight. I strongly recommend you give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I am here every Monday and Thursday. Also, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!